Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload the data from Skipify into your Smarter Contact in order to send text messages. So the first thing you want to do is pull your list. We have a whole video on how to actually pull the list. You're going to do that under Property Search, and we have some quick filters under the predefined filter here already set up. So you can find the ones for lightning leads down at the bottom. Now I'm not going to go into the full list pull here because again we have another video on that, so please go back and watch that. But once your list is ready to download, just go over to My Data. You're going to find your list. Really doesn't matter which one I pull here for the purpose of this video. All of the information in the columns are the same, so I'm just going to pull a random list here to show you guys what I'm doing, but you'll obviously want to find the correct list and download that. Now over here in your Smarter Contact account, you're going to go to Contacts, and this is where you're going to upload your list. So all you have to do is click Upload Contacts. You're going to browse and find the file, and you'll notice it needs to be in the CSV file here. So if it's under Excel, just go ahead and save as a CSV file, and then you'll be able to upload it. So it's going to take a few minutes to give us the data. We're going to click Next. And from here we just map the fields we need. So we have a lot of columns that we're not going to use, but the ones we do want is first name. So here's last name. You can tell if there's an LLC in that spot, it's going to show up under the last name. If you want to take a little more time and kind of separate that, go for it, but I'm just showing you how to match the columns here. So we have first name, last name. You'll want to put in the property and mailing addresses, so we're going to go ahead and match those to the correct column. And you can see what that is right here below where we're mapping. So here it's telling us to put in the mailing state. So we're just going to do that for each thing here. And then we're going to move on to the property. So you can see I'm skipping that column. If you wanted to clean up your list, Smarter Contact does have like a template. I find it redundant. It's just an extra step because you don't have to map all of these fields. You can just skip what you don't need. But some people prefer to clean it up first. It's totally up to you. So again, I'm going to skip these that I don't need, and I'm going to go right over to our phone numbers. So if you scroll, you're going to continue to scroll until you see phone 1. And now we can map up to 4 phone numbers here in Smarter Contact. So I'm just going to click on each phone number where it says phone 1, phone 2, phone 3, and then we're going to scroll over a little more to get that phone 4. And it won't let us do any more than 4. So if I try to do it for 5, you'll see now phone is grayed out, so I cannot do that. That's really all you need. You can rename your list here if you want to. So client name, area, whatever it is that you want to rename, and then just click Apply. And here it's going to give you the option for contact management. So this is going to be up to you or your client, whatever they prefer. If they want to go ahead and clear everything. What that means, if you clear everything, it's going to include those on your list. Okay, so, it's going to remove those from your list. So here you can see it won't let you keep the opted out. It won't let you keep the litigators. It won't let you keep the carrier block or the undeliverable. It will make you, have those removed from your list. Now, if you uncheck all of these things, that means you're going to include those on your list. And you can go ahead and hover over. It will explain it further. So let's say you want to remove everything on the national DNC list. You will want to check that box. See? Remove phone numbers that have been added to the national DNC list. If you want to keep those on your list, you will uncheck the box. So that is how that works. We're going to go ahead and click Apply. And then it'll show you that it's verifying your list, and it says it can take a little bit because it's going through each one of those to upload. And then once it does this, it will go to a different screen where you can then go under your contacts and just find that file to make sure it's verified. From there, you can actually select the file under campaigns to use. Before the list is verified, you will not be able to select the list under campaigns. But that's basically it. So all we have to do is just wait for this to finish verifying, and then we can move on to the next steps. All right, now you can see the lookup results. So it'll give you the total phones, the valid numbers, and invalid numbers. And if you click that drop down, it'll actually tell you that most of those were just unverified phones. So you can see where those kind of break down there. We're going to click next. And now if you go to contacts, you can see your list here. That blue check mark does mean that it's verified and ready to use. So if you went to your campaigns now and started a new campaign, you would give it a name, follow all the steps. Again, we have a whole nother video on how to create your entire campaign, but I did just want to show you can select the list there and you're ready to go. Basically, that's it. Super, super simple. If you guys have any questions, just let us know.